Hey guys, wanted to go over the watch list performance today, and we just crushed it today. Nailed it. So let me just get into this real quick, starting off with OGXI. Um, you can see up here that I was 800 long at 325. And let me go over why I got into this stock. Okay, this is a 2-day chart down here. Over here is Friday. So Friday, this is what I was looking at. Okay, tries to go early mid-morning Friday. It tries to go green to red right here, and then immediately shoots back up to a new high of day. All right, so what that tells me is that there is a pretty strong support area right here, and this is about 325, 322, somewhere around that area. But I like to buy into support and then kind of ride the momentum up. All right. So there was support here developed at 325. It shoots up to a new high of day. There's higher lows, and then comes back down and tests the support area again. And this is what I was looking for, and this is where I bought in at 325 right here. And as you can see, I got a great entry because right when I bought it, immediately shoots up back to a new high of day and closed just outstanding. And I actually held this stock over the weekend, which I normally don't do. I like to be all cash at night. But I have seen this stock in the past when it closes strong like this. I've seen it gap up the next day and then spike the next morning. So that's kind of what I was holding on for and anticipating. And then as you can see, Monday, that's not what happened. Okay? Um, but it's all right. It starts to go down at market open. I immediately sell out. Okay, it was I predicted wrong, and so I got out, locked in my profits. I locked them in at 339 is where I got executed. So all in all, pretty good trade, pretty good profit. Didn't do what I was hoping for, but still a winner. All right, so total profit on this was $112 on this trade. Okay, next up, AVXL. This again, this is one that I just nailed it. All right, so you can see here, scenario 2 is that it finally breaks out past the dollar, and I will buy the breakout because it could potentially run 20 to 30%. Some analysts are even saying that it'll double, triple, maybe even go to $5. Um, but you can see here, early morning, it breaks past this $1 mark, and what does it do? Shoots straight up. This is, I think it topped out here at 114, and you can see that it kind of makes a top here of resistance. I actually missed this trade because I was busy selling my OGXI shares. So I missed the breakout, but if you were watching my watch list, this was the predictable move that you could have made, and made a very, very easy, predictable trade right here. And this is where, like I said, this is where I would have gotten out at, where it develops this top right here. It actually did run a little bit further throughout the day, but I'm not interested in this sideways action and everything like that. This was the breakout dollar straight up to $1.15, $1.17, develops a top. This is where I would have gotten out right here. So that would have been a great, great trade. Could have made anywhere from 14 to 17% on that trade. And that one was very, very predictable. All right. So moving on, SGYP. This was the one pick on my watch list that actually didn't pan out. And it just didn't do what I thought it was going to do. It didn't set up like I thought it was going to set up. And you know what? That's okay. When things don't set up like you planned for them to, just don't make any trades on that stock. Okay? Too many people see a watch list, they see a stock on it, and they just buy it. Don't do that. Okay? Understand what the commentary is in the watch list, and if it doesn't set up, then don't play it. Okay? So as you can see straight out of the gate, It's red, red, red all the way down. And on this stock today, there was no play. Okay, so at least we didn't lose money on that one. We just didn't play it. Okay, next up, OGEN. Another one that I just nailed. Crushed it, okay? So up here, last week there was a strong support that developed at about 245, okay? So up here you can see that I'm looking for a weak open and it to hold the 245 support and then get long in that area and look for it to retest the 52-week high of 290. This is another one that there's a lot of eyes on. And like I said, a big audience means big moves. So you can see straight out of the gate, there's a weak open. It tests this support area, which is 245, just like I said. And what does it do? It shoots straight up, just rips up to 280. All right, like I said, this is the move that I'm interested in. You know, I'm not interested in holding through all of this sideways action. It did actually end up finishing very, very well all the way up to 320. But I wouldn't have expected you to hold all the way until this move. All right, this is the move that I anticipated, and it did exactly what I said it was going to do. Okay, could have made a very good trade, potential profit of 13%. All right, that's all I've got for today, guys. Stay tuned for tomorrow's watch list.